Narrator. Welcome back to Motor Masters, the channel where we bring you the most thrilling rides, futuristic designs, and groundbreaking innovations from the automotive world. Buckle up, because today we're diving into a machine that isn't just rewriting the rules of electric performance, it's tearing up the rulebook entirely. Get ready to meet the 2025 Yangwang U9, China's electric supercar that's turning heads across the globe. Host. That's right, the Yangwang U9 is here. And let me tell you, this is not just another EV with some flashy styling. This is a hypercar built from the ground up to shock the automotive world. At first glance, it's hard to believe that this comes from BYD's luxury sub-brand Yangwang, but once you see what it's capable of, you'll understand why people are calling it one of the most daring supercars of this new era. Narrator. Let's talk design first. The 2025 Yangwang U9 looks like something out of a futuristic racing game. With its aggressive aerodynamics, low-slung stance, and sculpted bodywork, this thing is pure eye candy. The sharp LED headlights, the muscular curves, and that wild rear wing are all designed not just for style but for serious downforce. It's clear Yangwang wanted to make a statement, and they absolutely delivered. Host. But beauty is only part of the story. Underneath that carbon fiber skin is where things really get interesting. The U9 is powered by 4 electric motors, one for each wheel, delivering a combined output of around 1,300 horsepower. Yeah, you heard that right, 1,300 horses of pure electric fury. That kind of power translates into insane performance numbers. 0 to 60, just under 2 seconds. Top speed, north of 190 miles per hour. This isn't just fast for an EV, this is hypercar territory. Narrator. What makes the U9 stand out even more is BYD's proprietary E-to-the-power-of-4 platform. It gives the car unmatched torque vectoring and control, meaning the U9 can corner like it's on rails. Each wheel can adjust power instantly, making it stable, agile, and absolutely ferocious on the track. And let's not forget, this isn't just about raw speed, it's about precision engineering that allows the driver to push the limits with confidence. Host. And speaking of pushing limits, let's talk about the suspension. The Yangwang U9 comes equipped with a trick suspension system that can literally make the car jump. Yeah, you heard me, it can hop off the ground thanks to its hydraulic suspension technology. This is something we've never seen before in a production supercar. It's wild, it's futuristic, and it shows how serious Yangwang is about innovation. Narrator. Inside the cabin, things are just as futuristic. The cockpit is driver-focused with a minimal yet high-tech design. You've got a massive digital instrument cluster, a sleek infotainment screen, and premium materials everywhere. It feels luxurious but also performance-driven. The seats are sculpted for support at high speeds, and the overall vibe is one of exclusivity and cutting-edge design. Host. Of course, the big question with any EV is range. The Yangwang U9 comes equipped with BYD's advanced battery tech, offering around 280 miles of range on a full charge. For a hypercar pumping out over 1,000 horsepower, that's impressive. And with fast charging capability, you won't be stuck waiting forever to get back on the road or the track. Narrator. What's even more impressive is how the U9 is shaking up the global market. For years, supercars have been dominated by names like Ferrari, Lamborghini, and McLaren. But now, a Chinese automaker is stepping into the arena and saying, we can play this game too, and we're bringing something entirely new. Host. Exactly, and that's why the 2025 Yangwang U9 is such a big deal. It represents a new wave of innovation, a bold step forward for EV supercars, and proof that the future of performance doesn't just belong to Europe or America. It's a global competition now, and Yangwang is coming in swinging. Narrator. So, is the Yangwang U9 the future of electric hypercars? With its mind-blowing performance, jaw-dropping design, and world-first features, it's definitely making a strong case. Host. And that wraps up today's deep dive into the 2025 Yangwang U9. Let us know in the comments what you think. Does this electric beast have what it takes to stand shoulder to shoulder with the legends? Narrator. Thanks for watching Motor Masters, the ultimate pit stop for car lovers everywhere. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the rides of tomorrow. Host. Until next time, keep your engines, or batteries, charged, and stay tuned for more from Motor Masters.